What is going on, guys? In this video, I'll tell you how to act like a pro to kickstart your six-figure business and get out of your mom's basement. You will go from acting like a pro to becoming a pro and building this important skill to help you run a business. This skill has helped me convince my leads and start a six-figure business in the first year. So let's get into what you need to do in order to sound and look like a pro who has been doing this forever, even if you barely started. The easiest step to look like a pro is to dress like a pro. So look at the big businesses in your industry and just kind of copy how they look, so it can look as professional when you're doing face-to-face interactions. And this is obvious, but you should also groom yourself and look nice, not homeless. Now, to sound like a pro, this is more internal work compared to looking like one externally. So in order to convince people and leave a good impression, which leads to referrals and reviews, you will need to sound like a pro. This comes from experience, but you can shortcut yourself there quicker by doing the following things, but let's do it in chronological order. The first contact is usually phone calls, or it goes from like email, text to meeting in person. But either way, the first thing will be talking to people. So in the beginning, it's important to introduce yourself by your name, the company name. Ask them how they are, just like regular conversation, but do it a little bit more excited than you usually are, compared to just like a regular monotone conversation. This just makes them more comfortable with you. And then the next thing you should work on is sound more professional by being as detailed as possible and just adding like some professional words or phrases. So just put those in action. At the same time, you're just explaining your full service. In order to be detailed, just explain what you will do. Tell them the expectations of what to expect, what not to expect, how long the process takes, when you can do it, your pricing, and everything relevant to your business or service. But don't just be the only one talking. You want your talking to have a lot of questions too, to give the client opportunity to talk. You want to be a good listener and they'll just sell themselves. By this point, you should have your pricing list range figured out. I would mention that, so that way you can avoid the cheap people and filter them out right away. This will save time from going or talking more with that person. The key is practice. Listen to what the lead says. Pay attention what you are saying. See if they leave any potential clues. Learn from your mistakes and just practice. What I did in this case is first listen to my coworkers who are there longer than me. They have their professional words, phrases. I would just learn from that. Then I would take that, combine it with what I do, and then just practice and see how it goes from there. You just have to put in actions with leads, customers, and just improve from there. Eventually, you're gonna stop acting like a pro and pretending, because you will be a natural pro. The info in this video has personally helped me a lot, and it's not a business constraint anymore. This video was the last step of 5 steps how to get to 6 figures in this video right here. So check it out. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and then hit the like button if you enjoyed this content, and leave a comment below. But I'll see you in the next video.